Alright, so just picked up this Kershaw. It's black oxide metal. It's skinnier than I thought, most definitely. I'm used to the Cryo series, the thicker all metal one. It definitely has a good feel to it. I like the blade. The blade is definitely pretty cool looking. It's skinnier than I thought. I mean, just so you can see the comparison, like here's $1. So in full length, it's got a good length to it. Closed, you can see the other picture. I already showed a picture of that within the $1. It's not even as big as $1, which is a good thing. So for everyday carry for EDC, it's definitely a worthy knife. I just got it a couple days ago. It's got a great flip to it, great feel, feels good. The handle is definitely not cheap. It's got the interlock to the metal, which is easy. Just be careful when you close it because it's a lot longer than you think. But the flip's nice though. I mean, there's barely any effort to it. Literally. I own a bunch of Kershaws. They have not failed me yet. So yeah, definitely a worthy knife. Definitely $40. Get your money's worth, and I'll let you guys know later on to see how well it does with overall use. Have a good day.